something. Fuck that you're up to something scandalous. Taste my bitter home, next